Alright guys, I'm doing a smoke test on this 2010 Chevy Suburban. So it has a large leak in the EVAP system. So I hooked up my machine already here, my smoke machine. I hooked it up to this EVAP hose right there. It's already dark over here, so I just lighting out with my flashlight. So I connect my hose right here from my smoke machine all the way there. So I close my vent valve and my push valve. So this is the push valve right here. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. It's already too dark, right? My flashlight. Okay, this is the push valve. This one right here. Looks like blue, and yeah, that one is the one. So I already closed that one, and I closed the one that go in the back, which is the vent valve. I don't see any smoke around here. I already wonder. Well, that one is just because it's not the smoke right there. It just comes from right here for the port. So I don't really worry about that. Okay. So I already checked underneath. There's no smoke coming out of there. I checked by the tank, and there's no smoke coming out of there. So and this one, guys, is the vent valve. So this one is from the canister. So I don't see any smoke coming out of here. And I'm checking the canister right here. There's no smoke coming out of there. So that black box right there is the canister. Okay. So I don't see any leaks. Let me go and check the gas tank. All right, right there by the fuel neck, filler neck right there. You see the smoke? So it's leaking from there, guys, from the gas cap. You see the smoke coming out of there? There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but this is smoking from there. Alright guys, right here's the gas cap right here. You see that? All the smoke coming out of there? It's a lot of smoke. So the large leak is escaping right here from the gas cap right there. So this gas cap is not good no more. So you have to replace it, and pretty much there's the problem there, because I don't see any other leaks in the system. I'm gonna go ahead and screw it. You see all the smoke is full of the smoke from the smoke machine. Yeah, but the seal is not good. It's too soft, so it's not sealing no more. So I already purchased another gas cap, and I'm about to put it on. All right, this is my gas cap, my new gas cap right here. It's new, so on this one it should seal perfect. No more smoke coming out of there or gas fumes escaping from there. So I want to solve this problem right here. Alright guys, the new gas cap is already there, and I still have my smoke machine running, and there's no more smoke coming out of there. So we fixed this problem here. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and follow me for more videos and how to fix this. If you have questions, let me know. Thank you.